All right, gonna be taking a look at HIRU, guys. It's been a little while since we went through this one. Not a long while, but hey, a week that's enough for any stock to really move. 12. All right, so this is the one that we went through back here on 1227. Okay, for everybody that watches these streams, this is where we find these things back here for the most part. So 1227. We always like to find them down at the bottom. Me and Joe definitely have a really good track record of doing that, and that is, uh, you know, well, we've been really getting good on that as of lately in finding these down here on the bottom. Every stock that we've not every stock, but a lot of these stocks that we put on alert always seem to take off and follow the indicators that I personally use. 1227 right here. Keep on watch from Street Trader. That was at 0005. So either way, if you were watching that stream, you would have been way up either way what this chart's doing. Again, put it on watch for here on 1-4. You guys went sideways. I waited for that buying pressure. You guys couldn't get it. 190012. Hold for the pullback, and that was going to be right here. Hold for the pullback. It came down, came very close to touching that 10-day, and then again on the 11th, when it's going to be the last time that we looked at it, I said hold again, and you basically went sideways off of that 0029. I'm going to have to add for this one. I'm going to be looking for this one to bounce off of the 10-day simple moving average. Might not happen today, but maybe tomorrow. They're going to be watching for that bounce off of the 10-day simple moving average. That's all I have to add for that.
Yeah, so I was looking into it right now as well. What was the last day we looked at it? The 11th?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, so no recent news. Or no news whatsoever on here, so maybe I have to go to their website. Because they have the skull and crossbones over here. So let's see. The business description, HIRU Corporation leverages global emerging markets to build infrastructure and supply lines for local growing industries. The company continues to service its consulting clients while preparing to launch its new infrastructure under new management. Much more information about HIRU Corporation will be made available very shortly, both through media as well as the company's new dynamic website scheduled to launch very shortly. Oh, you know what? I know this is the one that has the website that says when you go to the website, it says something that was pretty funny. I liked it. Let's see. Super terrific website coming soon with like the logo on the top of it. That's the one. Yeah, I remember that. All right, so I'm just gonna see if there's any up-to-date filings on it as well while I'm over here. Because I mean, there obviously there's new management as well. I mean, it's got the skull and crossbones, so maybe they're getting all that in order. Oh, okay, yeah. So there was a January 19th, actually today, there's an attorney letter with respect to current information, and then on January 11th, there's an annual report as well. So they are going to. Let's see what this. You want me to read out this letter? Let's see how long it is first. It'd be like 5 pages. That's only 2 pages. Okay. So let's see.
You read out the letter.
All right. Yeah. So let's see. Attorney letter with respect to annual report for HIRU Corporation. Dear sir or madam, this is to obviously the parties, the OTC markets. All right. You are entitled to rely on this letter in determining whether HIRU Corporation or issuer has made adequate current information publicly available within the meaning rule 144C under Securities Act of 1993. I am a resident of the United States and have been engaged as a special counsel by HIRU. My services include, but are not limited to, reviewing the current information supplied by the issuer. I have personally met with or spoken with the management and the directors of the issuer and examined such corporate records and other documents and have asked such questions of law as I have considered necessary or appropriate for the purpose of writing this letter. I have relied upon filings made with the Secretary of State of Georgia and information obtained from officers and directors of the issuer. I believe the sources I have relied on are reliable. I am authorized to practice law in the state of New York and Connecticut. I am permitted to practice. I could probably just go right down. Keep going. All right, so in preparing this letter, I've reviewed the issuer's annual report and unaudited financial statements for the period ending December 31st, 2016, which was posted on OTC Markets Group News Service on January 11, 2017. As to matters of fact, I have relied on information obtained from the public officers in the company and yada yada. Let's see, and the information supplied and reviewed concerning the issuer annual report posted on that. My
Ding, ding,
opinion,
ding.
adequate. Yeah, it's basically just saying that he went through it all. So I mean, I'm just kind of, if I keep reading 2 pages of it, it's just like,
Yeah, yeah.
legal
It's
jargon. That's why I
yeah.
said yada yada
Just
yada.
head over to
The
Investors
fact is, the
Hangout
fact
and
is
look
that yeah,
for
but
it.
you know what? The fact is they have new management, and then they're obviously becoming up to date on their filings, which is key because they got that skull and crossbones. So
Okay.
things seem to be coming together for them. So that's that.
All
I
right.
mean, go check out that annual report right there from the January 11th. That'll probably give you a way more information. Me reading that.
Okay. HIRU, if you guys are following this one, head over to investorshangout.com, investorshangout.com/live. Joe is the moderator of the MVP board. And you guys all feel free to go there and ask him for all the information. He's an encyclopedia. He will give you everything that you need. HIRU, again, investorshangout.com.